Choosing a replacement truck scale to match your existing foundation. When planning to replace a truck scale, consider using a low-profile truck scale to eliminate foundation modifications without sacrificing performance. It's common for a foundation to outlast a truck scale weighbridge, though it can be difficult to find a replacement truck scale with dimensions to match existing foundations. Legacy truck scale models were manufactured with lower profiles, meaning most standard truck scales currently produced don't fit these existing foundations. The solution is to find a manufacturer who can provide truck scales designed to fit existing foundations. Some manufacturers will create replacement truck scales as special or custom models. These truck scales come with a longer lead time and a higher price because extra time is needed to design and manufacture the scale. Other manufacturers may offer standard models designed to fit the foundations of their older truck scale models. These manufacturers provide a standard steel deck or concrete deck weighbridge that can be installed only after extensive modifications are made to other existing foundations. Bottom line, not all manufacturers take the same approach to providing replacement truck scale solutions for existing foundations. Take a look at the Rice Lake low-profile truck scale. The Survivor otr-lp is Rice Lake's answer to the need for low-profile, replacement truck scales to fit existing foundations. The otr-lp was specifically designed to fit the most common foundation sizes, and because they are offered as standard models, there are minimal lead times and lower costs since it's not a custom scale. With a diamond plate steel deck and the same rugged construction Survivor scales are known for, the otr-lp is the ideal replacement solution. Learn more about the Survivor truck scale by calling 919-776-7737 or visiting centralcarolinascale.com.